Open to the kitchen, let's ignite the fire. Spices is a flavor, on the streets of Mumbai to your home today. Rasoikechatkare gonna blow you away. Naan and curry, samosa and chai. Tasty treats that make you wanna fly. Foodies unite, it's time to celebrate. Rasoikechatkare makes appreciate. Open to the kitchen, let's ignite the fire. Spices is a flavor, on the streets of Mumbai to your home today. Rasoikechatkare gonna blow you away. Naan and curry, samosa and chai. Tasty treats that make you wanna fly. Foodies unite, it's time to celebrate. Rasoikechatkare makes appreciate. Open to the kitchen, let's ignite the fire. Spices is a flavor, on the streets of Mumbai to your home today. Rasoikechatkare gonna blow you away. Naan and curry, samosa and chai. Tasty treats that make you wanna fly. Foodies unite, it's time to celebrate. Open to the kitchen, let's ignite the fire. Spices is